चैप्टर 6 पार्ट ए। रुपिंदर अपने सर्कल च सुनिया भी सब तो ज़्यादा न्याणे किन्ने को ने? किहदे 6 न्याणे सुने? बहुत घट है ना। इदा ही ना भाई बहन कहते भी जे जो पहला न्याणा होंदा है तो फिर की करता पार्टी करती बड़े हाल च खुशियां मनाई जांदियां ने। जो दूजा न्याणा होंदा है फिर कहते चल बस बहुत हो गया संतोख संतोख सैटिस्फाई हो जाते हैं। तो जो तीजा न्याणा हो जाता वा फिर की हो जाती फिर चिंता च पै जाते हैं। फिर जो चौथा हो जाता फिर विचार कर लग पैंदे भी हूँ तो बस करिए बहुत हो गया। तो फिर जो पंजवां हो जाता फिर तो प्रतिज्ञा कर लेंगे भी हूँ नहीं होना भी हूँ अगला न्याणा नहीं होना चाहिए बस डन वी आर डन राइट। तो जो छेवां फिर तो कहते भी हूँ तो जां आत्महत्या करनी जां संन्यास ले लेना राइट। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर next the question number 10. Lawson has rented his warehouse to Tyler, who runs a moving and storage business. Which one of the following is not a remedy available to Lawson if Tyler fails to pay his rent? So note a solution. Highlight warehouse. This is mean commercial. If somebody leaves your commercial but has not paid your rent even, so what are you going to do? You can take away his stuff and sell it. Commercial is different. Number one, Lawson can re-enter the premises and forfeit the rent payable for balance of rental paid. That's true. You can re-enter and forfeit means you can seize and sell. That's true. Number two, Lawson may seize the personal property. Also highlight that. In commercial you can do that too, but not in residential. Third, Lawson can sue Tyler for the rent. That's true. So you can sue for your rent. That's also true. Lawson can apply under the Prevention of Residential Tenancy Act. That's false. We are talking about commercial here, not residential. So that's why it's false. So number D is false. And then we go from there to number 11. When attempting to determine whether a particular relationship is that of landlord and tenant or licensor and licensee, it's best if you want to find out what kind of relationship these two parties has. So what do? Look at the substance of the agreement. Number 2, look at the fine line. Don't look at this outline. Look at the fine lines. So look at the substance of the agreement between the parties. So answer is 2. It's very important. And then we go to the question number 12, where a landlord refuses to allow a commercial tenant to take possession of demised means already leased premises. The tenant may, if the landlord doesn't give you possession which he has already leased to you, so what you can do to him? You can sue him for damages. It's number 3rd. And then we go to the 13. A lease of a real property is a contract by which the landlord convey an exclusive possession to the tenant. It's number 2. So lease is basically, so landlord gives his tenant the exclusive possession for any business for which he has leased. It is number 2. And then we go to the question number 14. When Joan was viewing the apartment in a converted house which she was contemplating negotiating renting from Zach, she noticed that steps and the handrail in the back staircase appeared to be in a state of disrepair. Highlight state of disrepair. It means not maintained. When Joan moved in after signing the lease, she discovered that she couldn't use the back stair because the bottom 3 stairs were rotten and the handrail was not bolted down. Which of the following statements is true? So bottom line, the property was not well maintained. So whose responsibility is this? This is the landlord's responsibility by law. So number 4, Jack is obligated by law. Jack is a landlord obligated by law to maintain the premises in a state of repair and complies with the safety standards irrespective of the condition of the premises at the time the lease was entered. So it's a landlord's responsibility to maintain the property based on the safety standards. So it's true. It's number 4. And 15, a demise by a lessee. Lessee means tenant for a term which is less than the whole of the remaining interest granted when given in the original lease is referred to. For example, if you lease a place for 5 years, After 1 year, you can sublease to somebody else. That's called demise, the death of the lease. So it's number 3, sublease. Answer is number 3. And we go to the question number 16. An assignment of a commercial lease may be made to by a tenant to a third party. Once you lease a place, you can always assign to somebody else, sublease it to somebody else, as long as you are not prevented in a contract. So answer is number 4. Unless the tenant is specifically prevented from doing so by a covenant or by a condition in a lease. That's true. So number 4. So 37 is the same question, almost same. An assignment of a commercial lease cannot be made by a tenant to a third party is number 3 if he is specifically prevented from doing so by a clause in a lease. So basically you can always lease unless you are prevented. So it's number 3rd. And that's it for this part.